My dear students, hello. Today we will talk about master scheduling in tourism. You know, master scheduling is very important topic in production planning and control. As you know, in travel industry, we talk about timely tour operations or timely production of services. So this is very important topic. After completing this session, you will be able to understand the basic meaning of master scheduling. So let us start with the introduction of master scheduling in tourism. For example, you are working in a travel agency and your job is to book tickets to conduct tour packages. And if you are conducting tour packages, so in the beginning you have to plan how will you conduct tour packages. And when you are planning how you will conduct tour packages, you have to come out with the schedule, and that schedule is time based plan in which you are indicating at what time you will start one tour package and at what time after the beginning of one tour package you will start the second tour package, or different tour packages, how many tour packages you will start in parallel, and for these tour packages how will you collect resources, how will you manage resources. So that is the purpose, that is the meaning of master scheduling in tourism. I hope it is must be clear to you. So master scheduling is used to overcome, to manage mismatch in operations in a travel company and to manage with limited resources. Master scheduling is a broad tourism planning process that keeps watch on creating services related output in tourism industry and to match this output with the order received in your travel company. Master schedule is the next step after planning and operations management. Master scheduling in a job in which you have to create tourism production schedule on daily basis. So we can say that it's a daily activity, and you have to ensure that all relevant staff members of travel agency are a part of, are there, they are receiving the master program schedule, and supervise staff members of travel company to make sure that timelines are met by the company. So master scheduling is a time based plan which again we have to do in advance after the planning, and timely operations are ensured by master scheduling, and we can ensure production, timely production in a travel company, and it is done by managers. Master scheduling is basically time based activity. Supervision is required, and it is basically intended to fulfill tourist need, and coordination is mandatory in master scheduling. Level of inventory you can manage by using proper master schedule. Inventory costing can be done by proper master schedule, we can manage it. Inventory timing can be managed, and inventory quality can be looked into. Then master scheduling is the process of developing, analyzing and managing a schedule of tourism operations in a travel agency or travel company. Basic and tentative schedule of overall operations in the travel company can be targeted, can be addressed in master schedule. So master scheduling is important as well as regular activity. Now let us talk about factors in master scheduling. So master scheduling is a plan for absenteeism, like during the time of corona, to make schedule accessible by all and schedule the right people according to person's capacity. You can set achievable parameters, you can create a tentative time schedule, and you can make flexible plan. So scheduler can deal with job queues in a travel company. So it is a kind of software. Thank you.